Hello students. Today in this lecture of jurisprudence we are going to study the dark ages on the concept of natural law theory. Why this period has been regarded as dark ages? Because during this period the concept of natural law had not received any importance. Rather, during dark ages the early Christian fathers given the view that nature misleads and corrupt man. Therefore, nature should be overcome, it should be destroyed. According to them, all types of institutions of man, such as government or property, etc., are the products of sin because, according to them, through nature, man has committed the sin, and through sin, the pain has come in the society. According to them, if human laws are contrary to the divine law, I repeat, if human laws are contrary to the divine law, then that human laws are to be disregarded. No importance should be given to that human law which is contrary to the divine law. This approach of the early Christian fathers was completely a different approach we had discussed earlier in natural law theories, because in previous approaches much importance was given to the concept of natural law, and it was also the suggestion of some jurists that positive law should incorporate the essential features of natural law. But during this period it was argued that nature should be overcome and it should be destroyed. No importance was given to the concept of natural law theory. Important among us, the early Christian fathers, is Saint Augustine. According to Saint Augustine, the union with the divine is the end of law. That means to say, according to him, the main purpose of the law is to unite the soul with God. Who was Saint Augustine? Saint Augustine was a saint of the Catholic Church, and he was so much famous that his authority in theological matters, what is the meaning of theological matters? Religious matters, was universally accepted till the 19th century. I want to repeat, Saint Augustine was a saint of the Catholic Church, and his authority in theological matters was universally accepted till the 19th century. This dark age period can also be said to be the Christian period, because during this period main propounder of the law were the Christian fathers. At this period, natural law was considered as the will of the God, which will of God was revealed to man by holy scriptures. According to early Christian fathers, those human laws which are contrary to the law of God were to be discarded and ignored. No importance must be given to those human laws which are against the law of God, which is against the divine law. According to them, who was the main exponent of divine law? Church. And this church can override the state if the state is not acting according to the divine law. In the early Christian, fathers expressed a view on the law of nature from a theological base. Theological means a system of religious beliefs and theory. But later on, In the medieval times, Christian fathers modified this approach and they gave a respectable place to the concept of natural law. So, this is something about a dark ages period in the ancient theories of natural law. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get each and every notification of my next videos. And if you want to get notes of my law lectures, then you can go to Google and type law articles 2020.blogspot.com and you will be on my blogging from which you can take your relevant material. Thank you very much.